What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rosales Garage. If you're watching these videos, it's because you have a Corvette, you love Corvettes like me, or you're looking to buy a Corvette. Now, as you guys know, these vehicles have been becoming more and more affordable as years go by. I've owned this vehicle for 4.5 years now. I bought it completely stock from a dealership. As you guys can see, this is the vehicle when I first got it from the dealership, completely stock. And I have done so much work to this vehicle, and I think it's time that I start sharing with you guys everything that gets done to this car. All the work has been done by me, and I want to give you guys an example of things that you and I can do at home with simple tools and time. Let me focus. This is a paperwork from 2017. I want you guys to look at the total amount the dealership will charge you to change one engine motor mount. $805. You're from brake pads, cooling system, brake system, power steering system. Total almost $1,600. This is outrageous. It's outrageous. It's ridiculous, if you ask me, because these are things that you and I can do at home with time and tools. That I don't think you should have to pay $800 for one motor mount. I did replace both motor mounts for under $250, I believe. I know that the ones that I bought are aftermarket racing motor mounts. They're Vulcan, and I pay $189 for them plus shipping, and they are the best. They are great motor mounts, and they do what they're intended to do. These are the Vulcan engine motor mounts that I bought for my car from AMT Motorsports. But on this channel, everything on this channel is going to be mainly about this vehicle and what gets done to it. Like I said, it's a lot of work that has been done to this car, from engine to cosmetic appearances. As you guys can see, this vehicle was a base model. It's now it's got the super wide body conversion on it, and like I said, it's got a lot of stuff done to it. As you guys can see, I just got done installing the blower setup about a month ago. I will be working on the methanol installation maybe today. Again, I want to thank you guys. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything specifically that you would like to know about this car, please comment below, and I'll try to make a video of that. Again, thank you, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.